Hey queens and kings, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shontia Love and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So today I did a sunset red, orange, yellow, gold look. I'm here for it. This is my first time doing a look like this. I didn't think it was going to turn out this well, you guys, but I'm excited. I hope you guys love this look. It's my first time, like I said, doing this look, and I was like, let me record it because it might come out fire. And what did you know? Sis, it did. Queens and kings, I mean, let's get into it. Let's get into this look. So I'm calling it the sunset look. I'll let you know right now, I just used two different palettes to achieve this look. The first palette that I used was the Kara palette, and I got this on Amazon. So yeah, I believe that's how you pronounce it, Kara, K-A-R-A. And this palette has so many different fun colors that the looks and possibilities are endless, you guys. So there's orange, reds, blues, purples, yellows, greens, blacks, you name it. This palette almost has it all, and it makes it just so fun to just play with this palette. I've had it for months and months. I don't even know how many months at this point, and I've created different looks all the time. And then I also used the Colourpop Perception palette from MakeupShalya. I used a couple golds in here to achieve this look as well. I hope you guys love this look. Again, this is the sunset look, and if you love this and you want to get just like this, then stay tuned. Let's get right into it. So today I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try to do this sunset inspired look, so like some orange, red, and some yellow. And this is my first time doing this look, so we're just gonna see what happens. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Culture from the Perception palette, MakeupShalya's palette, and just apply it all over my lid. You know, not even too much, just to have a base to build up off of. Okay, that's all I'm doing right now, just a base. Start with this orange right here. So I'm going to use this color. Okay. And this also comes with a mirror, so it's very convenient and major key. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lower lid. This orange is cute. And one thing I will say about this palette is you might have to go in with the bright colors and apply a couple of coats depending on how much of the color you want to show up and stay. So I definitely apply a couple coats, you know, of the color just to make sure it does, you know, show up. So you just gotta build until you get the desired color. Now that both of my eyelids have the orange color that I applied, I'm going to move on and add a little red to the corners and the outer edge of where I applied that orange. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna go in and use the same palette and take, let me let it focus, take this color. Okay, this one. Go right in. Apply that to the corners. Okay, so I went in the corners of my eye, and then I go close to, so I go to both sides of my eyelid, if that makes sense. So I'm going all over the edge with that red. Okay, and I know right now it looks a little crazy because I haven't blended yet, but I'm gonna wait to blend. Right now I'm just applying the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna take my blending brush. And all of these brushes I talked about in my previous makeup tutorial, my first one, so I'll make sure I just put all the links below to all of the brushes I use. So I'm going to take that brush and go to the edge and blend it out, but not too much I'm not trying to take away the color I just applied. Light strokes, because this brush blends very, very well. You go too hard, you might blend away all of your color you just applied. So if you can see the difference, I blended this side, and then this side just looks like I've never did makeup before in my life. You know? This is the difference between blending, caring about your life, and not giving two fucks, okay? Two fucks not given, and I care about my life. That's the difference. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Ooh, child, that side looks crazy, y'all. That's why you gotta blend. Blend it out. It is okay. No harsh lines, remember? All 2018, no harsh lines. I'm starting to like it. Can't wait till I love it. So now I'm gonna go in, and I'm probably gonna have to apply a lot of this color. Let it focus. I'm gonna go in and apply some of this yellow to the corner right here. I'm gonna apply the yellow right in the corner and put it in the corner. Now I'm just tapping it on. Nothing too crazy, just tap tap tap, tapping it on. Ew. Ew, I like that. Now it's really looking like a sunrise, you guys. Sunrise, sunset, whatever you want to call this look. Ooh. Okay. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. You know what? I feel like I should make the orange just a little bit darker. So I'm going to take the MakeupShalya Perception palette. There we go. And I'm going to take a little bit of Played Out and put it in the corners of my eye, the outside corner. Okay. Just to make this like reddish orange area a little bit darker. Just a little bit. Okay, so I'm just taking my brush and applying it just to the outside corner, but literally a little, like lightly applying a little bit of Played Out to the corner. Ooh. Come through. Ooh, you guys, I'm loving this look. You guys, I didn't think it was gonna turn out this good. I really didn't. Like, who do I think I am? This is cute. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. After you apply your shadow to one side, you always gotta check the other side and see if, make sure it's like as close as matching as possible. You want it to be even, you know? You don't want it to, one side to be completely different than the other. Especially with a look like this. Ooh. Push through. Push through. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in back into that Clara palette and take some more red and just apply a little bit more in the middle where you can still see the red, just so it still pops. I want that red to still pop. I want it to show up, you know? Ooh, this is so cute. I think I'm falling in love. But that's what you want. You want to be like, yes. You got to be feeling yourself. If no one feels you, you got to at least feel you. You got to love you for you. Flaws and all, honey. But I don't see any. It's like I'm playing. You know what I mean? Like, flaws is a part of who we are. So don't look at them as a negative thing. Alright, you guys. So now I have a applied my foundation, my concealer, and I contoured my face. I even did my blush already, and I put on my eyelashes. And these are the same products I used in my first makeup tutorial I posted, and I'll put a link to that video below, and I'll also make sure I list all of the products below that I used on my face, so don't worry sis, I got you guys. Okay, so now that we have pretty much most of our face done, I'm almost done, I'm going to make this look pop just a little bit more. I'm going to go in and use the Perception palette once again, and I'm going to use TF. The fuck, it's like a gold, and I'm going to put that in the tear dot area of my eye. Okay, so I'm going to take my flat brush, dab a little bit of that TF onto my brush, and then apply it in the tear dot area, and literally just enough to people to see it, you know, just enough to be like, oh, that is you. That makes sense. And then I decided to just go in and put a little bit of the Diva color as well in my tear dot. So I took the Fuck first, TF, and then I did Rose Gold, all in the tear dot area of my eyes. Okay, to make this look just have that extra pop. Oh, this look came out so cute. I'm so happy I filmed this look because I was like, how is this look gonna come out? And it came out popping. So yay for me. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is take that same eyeshadow brush that I used for my red underneath my eye to put it right underneath that the lower lashes region. Okay, so I'm taking that red and I'm applying it all over my lower lash line. Okay, and I'm just lightly brushing it. So I took that red and put it right on my lower lash line. Get into it. So I am feeling this look. I'm gonna add a little mascara to my lower lashes. It doesn't matter what mascara you use, really. And put that on the lower lash. So now what I'm going to do is spray my face and apply my highlighter. You guys already know my tips from the last video. You want to spray your face first so that highlight pops even more. And I'm going to be using that same highlighter, that Gingersnap. You can never go wrong. Okay, this is the Impu. Can never go wrong with Gingersnap. Okay, so spray my face and put this highlighter on. Guys, see it? Ew. And do the same to the other side. This look is fire. This look is so fire. Who do I think I am? This look is fire. Oop. Sis. So I'm just gonna be doing like a nude color, and honestly I can tell you guys where I got these, but it's probably not in your area. Like if you live in Washington, you can go to your local beauty store and get their lipsticks. It's exactly where I got mine. It was just my local beauty store, and just, you know, any nude color will work for this look, or whatever lipstick you really want to use. I'm just gonna use nude. So before I ever apply any lipstick, I always outline my lips with brown. Usually I outline it with brown. It's rare that I do any other color. I'm gonna go in with this nude color. Start with the center of the lid. You guys, I'm in love with this look. We're gonna call this a sunset, okay? Because that little bit of darkness in the corner is giving me sunset vibes. I'm running late, but I'm happy I recorded this look. You guys, I'm loving it. Okay, so I applied the nude, and now I'm gonna go in and take some of the lip gloss that I also got from my local corner store. You can use whatever you want. I'm just going to apply that a little amount to the center. You don't need a lot. With some matte lipsticks, they sometimes look dry. And I don't like that. So sometimes I add a little bit of gloss just to make sure it looks smooth. This is a finished look, you guys. Like, this is so poppin'. And today I'm wearing this like romper. It's very colorful, so I wanted to do something fun with my eyes, so that's why I did this sunset look. So let's just get into that. Get into it. I hope you guys love this sunset look just as much as I do. Thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button if you loved it. Positive vibes only, because life is too short for anything less. Love y'all. Bye.